This is Alex, the most loyal employee. All his work is done, but his boss still scolds him. Alex is stressed and wants to rest. He tries to find a flight ticket. Sadly, all the tickets are overpriced. Luckily, there is Easybook app, the largest ticket booking app for land and sea transportation in Southeast Asia. It connects 4,000 transport operators and 60,000 routes. Trusted by more than 4 million users and more than 40 million tickets sold throughout Southeast Asia. Very simple. Download Easybook app on your phone. Select mode of transportation, set the schedule, even at urgent times. Choose your seat, and pay. Wow, booking tickets never been this easy. Complete your journey now with Easybook.